See, this is the experiment number 3 in CN lab. Like it is like see, the main goal is we should like you see these are wireless. We should make sure that connect to the wired. Okay, and we should be able to ping from this to this. And the another thing that we should do is like this is home router, right? We should be able to see the Wi-Fi name in the PC. And the implementation plan is very simple. And you can see just place every devices like this order. Next, connect them using app given the step in future I will give you, and then we will go to the router and configure it so that it know that from router it is this IP is coming from this, and from here the another IP is coming. You should know that. So first we will configure the router. Next, go to the home router, then go for Wi-Fi security, and you will change the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. You know, in your phone also you may do that, but it is very simple. But here, somewhat simple, complex. And the next is we should set up also like in the manual. It is off. So yeah, in manual you can use the Wi-Fi, but it is completely forgotten about the pinging from this to this. In the lab they might ask, and there are three definition and you must know it, that SSID is like a public name to the Wi-Fi. You can, and so many have given right Wi-Fi, OnePlus, iPhone, something on the Wi-Fi name, that's called service set identifier that you will give it. Next is dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP. Like instead of giving IP for each of the laptop PC by yourself, DHCP what will do, it will automatically assign the IP, and it will very useful if you do hundreds of computer, and it also avoid the repeatability and all, okay, redundancy. And this is just WPA PSK is just security, like the password is correct or not, it will check it, okay. And router 2901 router, search for it, you will get it. Next you need is 2960 switch. My mistake, like 2960. Let's take it and place it here. Next you want an home router, just search here, you will get it. Like home, you can see the home router. Now you need an in lab there is so much, but we'll just take on two PCs and laptop. In lab also it's enough. Why so much complicating things? Like for this, I recommend you to choose copper straight wire through directly this. Don't use that automatic one. I don't know why, but it was not working in my laptop. So I recommend you to do it manually. It is simple. Like just do what I'm doing here. Make sure that is fast Ethernet to 24. Okay, and this don't give internet in that home router and connect it, and don't connect these two. And it is simple, just go there, go to the physical and remove the chip and take WMP300 and connect it and on it. Now it will connect to home router. Same, go to laptop, physical, off it, remove that part and hand the WPC300N and on it. Now you see both are connected together. Like in this, you should go to the router and CLI. Now type enable. I will be similar as is in lab. Can lab manual. You can see same command is used here. We will use first go to the G0 pin. Okay. First we will go there. Next, like you see, first we'll go to the router and CLI, and we'll check it is enabled. Next, configure the terminal. Okay, enable. It's like taking the system root. root. Okay. Next configure terminal is we need changes. So I need the terminal to configure it. Interface G0 means just taking the control of the G0 pin. Okay. And setting like on IP address is nothing but like this is a unique identifier. We will give that 9192 part is just the IP address and 255 is just a submask. Okay, like we will do in your GUI basically, but in here we are using command. And next is no shutdown. So it's simple, like I'm telling just not to shut down even if I leave this. And the next is we are going to the another pin and making the same thing, like we are going giving it another IP address after router over. Now go to PC and give an IP configuration that is similar as we have done in experiment 1 2. So you might know, I don't need to explain how I gone there and all, but you should give the default gateway also as in the config in the router terminal you have given, right? CLI, the IP address 192 and 255, it is similar for it is G00 pin, right? So you have given some another default gateway. Think about it, okay? Just use that default gateway only. Otherwise, it will not work. Just follow the video, okay? It will definitely work on your laptop also. Now go to home router GUI. Now see here router IP. Change it to 2, and here also change it to 2. And submark should be 3 and DHCP should be disabled, and save the settings. Okay, and go to wireless and change any name. I am giving my name only, and you have to scroll down and save the setting. Make sure you save the setting each time, not to leave it, otherwise you will get in trouble. And just type any password you want. You can type anything you want, okay? And just save the setting, but let me go there and just cross it. You should save the setting, but see now the most important part, like giving IP to this. Go to desktop IP. You can't be able to type anything, like it will be in DHCP. You can see I have clicked the static button. Just click it, then you will get this option to write it and make sure the IP is as similar as you configured in the router. And this is also same. Go to IP configuration, select static, next give an IP address. Should give different each time. Make sure you give different. Don't give the same IP again and again. It will not take. But the default gateway should be same. And let me check it is working. Yeah, the wired is working. And let me check a different approach. I think it's also working successfully. And then it is also working successfully. Okay, like you should show this in lab. And the another thing is like go to PC wireless. Like I'm sorry, I have given for I'm gone for the wired. So let me go for wired. Like with just typing message, and I'm giving the wireless laptop, right? I'm giving that IP. And let me check. I forgot the IP. It was 2.4. So let me go back and give that IP address like 2.4. Then it might be work. It should work. Okay, like yeah, it's working perfectly. And let me go back and check it. And now I need to check about the Wi-Fi thing. Okay, let me go to the wireless list. Let's go to connect. I have to see the Sujan. Yeah, Sujan I saw. Click connect. Then just type the IP address like I have given Cisco 123 as in the lab manual, and type connect and it's done. Okay, and that's the third experiment. And